Welcome to Bujeti, your all-in-one finance control center, where you can track expenses, automate payments, issue smart corporate card, create and send professional invoices, and a whole lot more, all from one simple platform. Hi, I'm Titilayo, the head of product marketing at Bujeti, and in this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to get started and take control in few minutes. Let's dive in.
Once you log in, you'll land on your Get Started page. On this page, you will find the setup checklist, which is your step-by-step guide to getting started with budgeting. It will walk you through important first steps like completing your business verification, creating or linking your corporate bank account, and inviting your team members to budgeting. To help us verify your business, you will provide the following required documents: certificate of incorporation, memorandum and article of association, valid IDs of directors or business owners, a recent utility bill or bank statement for address verification. On the left, you have your navigation bar. With this, you will navigate all the features that Bujeti offers. From the top of the menu bar, click on Dashboard. This is your central control for managing your business finance. This dashboard will give you full visibility into your business finance, enable you to make faster and more informed decisions. Now, under Account, you can create your main Bujeti corporate account and sub-account, or link your existing business bank account to it. This account will enable you to send, receive, and track business payments in real time. Next, under Team Management, you can invite team members and assign roles like managers, admin, employees, payer, or HR, so everyone has the right level of access from the start. You can also create custom roles and permission as you deem necessary for your organization. In the Cards section, you can instantly create simple use, multi-use virtual cards, or request a physical corporate card for your team. You can also set spending limits and control for all types of card transactions. And your team members can use this card anywhere while you monitor the usage in real time. Under Expense, you have Budget, Vendors, and Bills. From here, you can create and manage budgets for projects and even for your team. You can create payment automation to automate vendors' payments, schedule bills, and manage recurring expenses with the Bills feature. Note that expense requests such as reimbursement, fund top-up, salary advance, and others will be categorized under Request for better visibility. And you and team members with managers or admin access can review, approve, or reject, all within the Bujeti platform. It gets even better. You can connect Bujeti to your existing business tools like Slack, accounting software like QuickBooks and ZoBook, and automate your accounting so your finance team can close your book faster. On the Bujeti dashboard, you can also maintain control over spending by setting up approval rules and workflow under the Compliance section in the menu bar. You can create or upload your existing business policy to ensure that each spend follows the defined policy. Under Transaction, Bujeti provides you with full visibility of all transaction activity in your business. All of this in one place. An automatic insight that gives you full clarity on how money is moving across your business. From the Transaction section, you can view a running log of every transaction, including pending payments, card transactions, scheduled payments, and you can filter this log. That's how easy it is to navigate the Bujeti dashboard.
That's your quick overview of Bujeti. So whether you're running a growing startup or leading a fast-moving team, you now have the one simple platform to stay in control, cut out the chaos, and move with clarity. Bujeti was built for African businesses like you, giving you real-time visibility, smart expense management, and the ability to focus on what really matters most to you, which is growing your business. Now, it's your turn. Log in and take control of your business finance the Bujeti way.